A very good morning everyone. How are you? Hope you all are stay fit and healthy at your place. Now we are here with a new video of chapter number 8, Adobe Photoshop CS5. More with Adobe Photoshop CS5. Okay. In this video, we are going to learn other tools or the more tools that is related to the Photoshop. Okay. So for further practical work, we will move to our Windows screen.
So students, this one is our next video of Adobe Photoshop CS5. Okay. In our previous videos, we would discuss what Adobe Photoshop is and what are the tools that we can use in Adobe Photoshop. So here we are discussing some other tools that we are going to use in Photoshop. Okay, so here first tool is resizing the image. So first we have to learn what is the means of resizing. Resizing means to change the size of your image, but the thing is the quality remains the same. Means if you are enlarging or reducing the size of your image while preserving the high quality of that image. Okay, so first operation that we have to perform on our image is enlarging the image. Means we can enlarge, we can change, or we can extract, or we can increase the size of our image. Okay, so for that we have to take an image, and we know how to take our new image. From first we have to click on the file option. From here we have to select the open button, and we can select any of the image to whom we want to whom we enlarge the size. Okay, first we have to select the image and click on the open button. Here you have seen a image on your screen. Okay, so to increase the size of your image you have to follow such steps. Okay, first we have to click on the image option. Okay, then from here we have to go to the image size, and the shortcut key is Control+I. You can go it by using the menu, or you can open that by clicking on by using these shortcut keys Alt+Control+I. Okay, here you have seen a image size dialog box. Okay, so for here for first you have to click on the resample image option checkbox. Just click it, and from here you have to select the bicubic smoother, best for the enlargement, because we are going to increase the size of our image. Okay, so to change the image size in percentage, we can select here from here the percentage, and we can, if we want to increase the size of 10%, then we are writing like 110. It means we want to increase the size of image in percentage, that is 10%. Okay, then click on the OK button. Here you have see your image gets enlarged by the 10%. Okay, hope you all are clear with this. Now the second practical is to reduce the size of your image. It means to decrease the size of your image. Okay, for that you have to follow the same steps which you applied on the enlarging the image. Just you have to click on the image option. From here you have to select the image size. Control+I is the shortcut key. Then again you have see here a image size dialog box appears on your screen. Here you have to select the percentage, and if you want to decrease the size of your image 80%, so but first you have to re-click on this resample image, and from here you have to select the bicubic sharper, best for reduction. Okay, because you are going to reduce your image. Okay, so here you have to type the height and width in percentage. Suppose if you want to reduce your image and in 80% height and width, then you can write here 80 and 80. Here you can see the document size of the image will automatically get changed. Okay, just click on the OK button. Like the output is in front of you, the image gets reduced. Okay, here the next tool is color adjustment tool. Okay, so for that we have to know what is the means of color adjustment. Color adjustment option in Photoshop CS5 helps us to make our photo more natural. Means if we want to change the color, means if we want to make our photo in more normal natural color, then we will use the color adjustment feature. Okay, so for that, or to correct our image, we have to follow such steps. Okay, first we have to take a new image and select the image menu and just clicking on the adjustment. Okay, here you have seen the adjustment option, and under this we have to select the label. Control plus L is the shortcut key to open the labels option. Okay, here you have see a label dialog box appears on your screen. Okay, so you can choose from the preset color. This one is the preset color. You have two ways. First you have to select the preset color, like if I click on this, a drop down list will appear. Like if I select the increase contrast one, here you have seen the contrast of the image will get changed. Okay, like this. If you want to lighter the shadow, then you can use this lighten shadow. You can see the image color get automatically changed when I select any of the option. Okay, and here in the channel option you can select the RGB color. Okay, now for further thing, we have to move the input level. Drag the black triangle under the input levels towards the right to the darken the shadow. Okay, here this one is the arrow. If I drag this, then you can see the changes on your image. This will allow to darken your image. Okay, this one is the left arrow and this one is the right arrow. Right arrow is used for lighting the things, and left arrow is used for darken the things. Okay, now here we have to keep the preview option checked while we are making the adjustment. Okay, to see the changes or of our image. Suppose if I do change in any of the image, then it will show us the preview at that same time. Okay, then if our editing is done, if our color adjustment is done in the image, then we have to select the OK button. Here you have seen our image gets more natural as comparison to the previous image. Okay, hope you all are clear with the color adjustment tool. Okay, tool is making the image sharper. Means you can sharp your image. It means if your digital photo is slightly out of focus, then Photoshop helps us to make our image look more crispier using the basic sharpening techniques. Okay, means if we want to make our image more crispier than the earlier one, then we will use the sharpen tool. Okay, so for that, first we have to take a new image and we have to click on the filter menu from here, and we can select the sharpen option. Okay, under the sharpen option you can get a drop down list. From here you can select the unsharp mask option. Here you have seen a unsharp mask dialog box appear on your screen. It will have a preview option also. So from here you have to select the amount that is to be sharpened. Okay, from here you have seen whatever the changes you have done in your amount, it will reflect on your image preview. Okay, like this. Here you can select also select the portion of the image. Okay, suppose I want to increase the radius, then I can change the radius, amount and the threshold too. Okay, so it will reflect in your image. Here you have seen if I want to sharpen this portion, then I have to select this portion and increase the size or increase the amount of the sharpeningness. Then here you have seen the changes will occur on the image. You can also increase the radius. Okay, like this, and you can also increase or decrease the size of your threshold. Okay, here you have seen your image gets the sharper than the earlier one, and you just have to click on the OK option.
So that's all about today's presentation. If you have any doubt, any query related to the video, then you can contact me, WhatsApp me or drop a message in the Dropbox. Thank you. Have a nice day.